In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a professional website using Squarespace in a few minutes. The first step will be you need to click on the first link I provide in the description to get 14 days free trial plus no credit card required and with a discount. So click on it, and after that you will be directed to this Squarespace homepage and click on get started. And after that, from here tap on skip, tap on close from here, and from here Squarespace will provide for you multiple templates to choose from. The only thing you need to do is to adjust them and make them yours. So from here, if you have fitness, if you need fitness website, click on fitness. And if you are fashion or few food or restaurants from here, so for me I will choose, for example, portfolio. And after that, from here he will show me all the portfolio templates, and I will choose any template from here really quick. Okay, so I found this template look great, to be honest with you, so I will choose it. I will click on it, and after that, from here preview the template and see if it is suit you. And after that, what you need to do is to click on start with this design, and from here you need to create account for Squarespace. So I will continue with email, and from here I will provide all my information, and after that tap on continue. And from here you need to provide the site title, and after that tap on next, get started. And once here you will find from here on the right top corner you can switch to the mobile view, and you can preview on mobile and see if it is suit you on mobile as well, very important. And after that get back on desktop, and from here if you want to preview the whole website, tap on this arrow on the right top corner, preview, click on it, and from here you can preview as well. Get back, and on the left sidebar we have view tools. We have the website, and we have selling, invoicing, content and memberships, and we have scheduling, donations, marketing, contacts, analytics. You can see how much sales you have. And from here the most important we need to click on edit from here on this little option. And after that, from here this is the whole website. So from here we have section, and inside the section we have a block. So as you see this section, if I click on it and if I click on add a block, from here you can add text, you can add image, button, video, you can add whatever you want. As you see from here, Instagram, you can add Amazon, whatever you need. And from here if I click on add section, and from here you can add contact us section, about us section, people section, product, services if you sell services, and you can add digital products. And after that, for me I will add a blank section, for example, and inside the section I can add a block. As you see from here, click on add a block, and from here you can add text, as you see, and you can add image from here, and you can add button, as you see as well. This is very easy to do, so I will delete this section because I don't need it. Tap on remove, and after that, from here the next step I will show you how to change the logo. So I will click on edit site header and tap on this logo, tap on edit, and from here add logo, upload file, upload the logo from here really quick. And as you see we have a new logo from here, and you can change the height from here easily. For me I will delete it. Tap on this little three dots and remove it because I have only the title. It is better for me. I will click back. If you click on the edit site header, and after that will show up to you edit design, click on it, and from here you can change the layout if you want the logo in the middle or on the left, on the right. I will leave it on the first one, and after that you can change the line spacing and view elements from here. You can change the height as well, and the colors from here I will leave it on adaptive. Click back, and from here click on this text, and we have a few tools you can use, and from here we have style background. You can add background, you can add stroke and blur, and from here we have the align vertically if you want, or bin, or duplicate, or delete. On the first one we have edit, tap on it, and from here you can change from heading to paragraph if you would like. As you see, I will leave it on heading, and you can make it bold or curve, or you can change the color if you would like. So if you want to change the color, you need to highlight the text, and after that click on the color and change it to black, as you see, and I will leave it on white. And after that we have a few tools from here as well. You can add a link if you want to anyone to click on the text, he will be directed to another link, or if you can add page from here. After that, from here I will disable this because I want the client to open it in the same tab. And after this, scroll down, and the same process, you click on the text, and from here you can edit it. So I will show you great tools from Squarespace, which is Squarespace AI. So if I click on this text and click on this edit, and after that click on Squarespace AI on this icon, tap on OK, and from here you can tell AI to write a professional description, very persuasion description, which is, you will be surprised how much great it is. So I write about fitness. I want AI to provide a description about fitness, so I will click on enter, and after that he will provide a description from here, as you see, and I will make it shortened from here. Click on shorten, and as you see, this is very short description from AI, so I will delete the old description from here. And basically that's it. As you see, this is awesome. This is definitely I recommend to use Squarespace AI. So after this, scroll down, and from here you can click on it, and you can change the image easily from here. Tap on edit, and tap on replace, and tap on upload file, and you can add your own images if you would like. And the same process from here with this image as well. Tap on it and tap on edit, tap on replace from here, replace the image, or if you want to change the design of the image from here, image effects if you want, or fit, or full, or shape, you can change it, or if you want to add corners. And after this, scroll down, and we have the same process. You can click on the text and edit it easily, and scroll down, and from here you can change the text, or you can edit the form from here. If you want your clients to schedule time from you, you can edit it from here, change the design as well. It is very easy tutorial. And from here, if you want to add background, stroke, and click on storage from here as well, a few options, which is very easy. If you want to change the email, I will delete this section because I don't need it. Tap on remove and click on remove again, and from here we have our location, the location of our gym. So from here you can change the location if you want, and we have the images as well. You can edit the gallery. Tap on edit gallery, and you can add your own photos and delete these photos. Tap on plus icon and tap on upload images, and you can add your own photos from here easily, and you can add a link as well if you would like. Click back, and from here we have this section, very important as well. So stay updated, and from here you can change it if you would like, change the text. And from here click on this email address and tap on edit, and you can change the form name as well, and you can change the design. It's the same process, it is very easy. After that click back and scroll down, and from here we have the footer section, and from here you can edit the text and click on terms and services and tap on edit, and you can change the URL link, or you can add another pages. It is very easy. Or you can edit the name as well from here to any name you want. This is very easy to do. So after that I will scroll down, and after I will show you the last steps, very important. So I will click on the whole section and click on edit, and from here what I will do is I can make it full screen or full screen, and from here I can increase the size of the section from here, as you see, and I can add a divider as well if you want. Click on the shape and you can add any divider you would like. It is very easy. This is very professional. I like it. And click back, and after that click on the background, and from here you can replace the background. Click on upload file, and from here I will upload my own background from here. As you see, this is the background, and you can change the colors as well. Click back, and the last step what you need to do is to click on save on the left top corner, and after that click on this icon site styles on the right top corner almost, and from here you can change the fonts on your websites at once. Click on it, and from here click on all font packs, and from here you can change the heading and the paragraph at once from here. So this is the heading and this is the paragraph, and you can change all of them at once. So I will choose stylish font from here really quick, and from here as you see all fonts, it is changing at once. If you see it, as you see, this is great. So I will click back, and from here you can change individually for each text if you want. So I will click back, and from here we have the colors, and if you want to change the colors for your website at once, so click on edit palette, and from here you can choose any color, and from here you will change all the website colors at once, as you see. So if I click any color from here, he will apply it to my template, to my website. If you see it, this is awesome. So I will get back to my old color because I like it. After that click back, and from here you can change the colors individually if you want. After that from here tap on the buttons, and from here you can change the buttons as well if you want, the style and the shape of the button, if you want it like this or like this. So I'll leave it like this, it is better, and it is very easy. Click back, and after that we have the last thing, which is accessories, and we have the animations, and you can change it to fade. So when you open your website will show up like this or like this or like this. So I will choose the fade animation, and after that click back, and we have spacing as well if you want to use it. If you want to reduce the space between pages, click back, and after that click back again, click back, click on save your process on the left top corner, and from here I will show you how to edit the pages right here, the about us page, the schedule page, or the contact page as well. So I will tap on exit, and after that click on pages from here, and from here as you see we have all the pages, you can edit them at once. So I will click on about us page, and after that tap on edit, and as you see from here you can edit the whole sections in about us page. Very easy to edit it, which is you click on the image and tap on edit, and you can change the replace the image and edit the text. It is very easy, to be honest with you. So after that, tap on exit, and the same process with other pages as well. And from here we have not linked pages, so the pages, the terms and condition, the privacy and policy pages, you will find them, all of them, right here, and you can edit them as well, the same process. I will click back, and the last steps will be in the settings. If I click on the settings right here, the settings icon, and from here I will show you how to publish your website, how to change the language, how to set up a payment method, how to set up domain, how to set up a Gmail, professional Gmail. So click on the first option, website, and from here you can click on site availability and change it to public. But first of all, you need to upgrade it. Tap on upgrade to publish, and from here Squarespace have multiple plans, and from here we have the first one, personal, which is very great plan for beginners. And if you have a lot of clients and you have large business, you can choose the business plan or the basic plan. And if your business very advanced, you can choose the advanced plan. So after that, I will click back. After that, tap on site language, and from here you can change the language. It's very easy to do. And we have the favicon as well, very important. And from here, add your own logo. If you want to add your own logo instead of empty black box color, add favicon and upload file, and I will add my logo right here. After that, tap on save, and from here scroll down, and from here you can add social links or other options. You can check them one by one, and tap on domains and email. And from here, if you want to add a domain, tap on domains, and from here you can get a new domain, or if you want to use a domain you already own, and if you can transfer it from the old platform to Squarespace from here, which is very simple to do. Tap on get a domain, and from here choose any domain you would like, or you can search from here for a new domain. After that, if you want a professional Gmail, professional email for your website, tap on Google Squarespace, and you can subscribe to get a professional email. And after that, we have settings, and from here you can add a business information, your business information, and we have the payments. So this is very important. Click on it, and from here you can add Stripe if you want to receive a credit or debit card payments, and you can add PayPal as well, and you can change the store currency as well from here. And after that, click back, and we have a checkout page from here as well if you want to change it. And we have the taxes if you want to set up taxes, and we have the shipping if you want to set up shipping rates for your store as well. It is very easy to do. So the last thing, I will show you how the website it is looking. Okay, so this is the final result of our website, and this is look professional and wonderful, and I definitely recommend you to watch this tutorial multiple times to understand everything. And basically that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.